Hello, I'm Chris from NESTED Estate Agents, your local personal agent. Welcome to 1 Timms Close, an exceptional architect-designed home measuring circa 5,400 square foot. The location couldn't be better, with Bickley Station just around the corner and some of the area's finest schools nearby. Come on, let's take a look at this exceptional home. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For more information or to arrange a viewing, please get in touch.